How to make fake flowers look real. Sure, real flowers smell good, they're naturally detoxifying and they can grow, when planted, with love. They're also messy, time-consuming and costly, and some make the whole ordeal not worth it, thanks to premature wilting or dying. The alternative, though, is much easier. Fake flowers look just as good as the real thing, don't take up any time or money, and, best of all, will never die. Here, learn how to make fake flowers look real. For these tips, your time, wallet, and home will thank you. First, house them in a beautiful vase. Just because they're fake, doesn't mean they don't deserve the same kind of love and affection real flowers get. For fake flowers, invest in the same kind of luxury vase in which you would have housed real flowers. A great vase, after all, is more than just a container, it's designed with quality shape and material to elongate and bring out the best of decorative florals. Of course, a vase, no matter how beautiful and well-made, is cancelled out when the fake flowers are made out of cheap materials, like cheap plastic, stained with dust and overall low quality. Above all else, the best way to make fake flowers look real is this: star craftsmanship. Make sure the flowers you use were designed to mimic the real thing, and not just act as an alternative. 2. Bring them outdoors. There's such a thing as fake outdoor grass, so why can't there be such a thing as fake outdoor flowers? We're not saying to construct an entire garden out of them, but if that sounds appealing, then we're not saying to do that. Just a few fake flowers in an outdoor planter or two will do the trick. Outdoors, fake flowers are soaked in sunshine and sky, both of which are very real. Outdoors, the fakeness of fake flowers isn't noticeable, because it's the last place anyone would expect it to be. 3. Pair them with vintage decor. Florals and vintage go hand in hand, and sometimes, just the right decorative touch can make an arrangement look fresher, more vivid, and more real. Instead of plopping fake flowers in a run-of-the-mill vase and being done with it, why not embed the same care and creativity as you would with the rest of your home decor? Consider, for example, turning a bouquet into a vignette. Utilize the space on all sides of your flowers, the space directly above, beside and below, with wall art, figurines, vintage lanterns and decorative boxes. The materials of the decorations you use are just as important as the types. Distressed finishes add a roughened, weathered look to make fake petals feel like they too are roughened and weathered, in a good way. Obviously, artificial materials like shiny plastics will just add more fake fuel to a fake fire. If there was ever a notion that flowers are fake, then fake-looking decorations will just reaffirm it. Your best bet is to stick to natural woods, galvanized metals and raw textures. 4. Incorporate them into the furniture. You wouldn't try to hide real flowers in some back corner, where no one looks, so don't do the same with fake ones. Instead, treat them as if they were hand-picked from your garden, just delivered from a local nursery or gifted by a loved one. Bring them out of hiding and place them front and center for all to see on a coffee table, kitchen table, or entry console table. When you love your fake blooms as though they were real, it shows. With just a few easy tips you can have your favorite blooms gracing your home all spring long. And not only this spring but year after year.
Hit that like button to support and encourage valuable content. Share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.